Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to download script of your video on YouTube. So first open your YouTube studio from your desktop and then find your video you want to download the script of the video. For example, this one, I will click edit or details, and then here you can see the subtitles. And then here automatically, if you are creating English video, it should be there that automatic subtitles, which is this one is the script of this video. And then how to download it, you just press on or click this triple dot options, and then this is the option of download. So I can click download, and then you can choose what the format, BDT, SRT, or SBV. This format is not only text but also the timeline of your video. So for example, I want to download as SRT format. See, now I already open the captions on SRT format, and then I will open it using Notepad, and then the format will be shown like this. This is the timeline of your videos, and then this is the text or the script of your videos. Okay, this is this very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.